I'm not there to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Whoa. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shame see me. We are searching through the perfect reason of this love. Yeah, that's what we've become. I won't let them race me down, 'cause I know there's a place for you. I'm gonna send black, gonna drown them out. This is great, this is peace, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, here I go. This is me. Thank you.
Yeah, terima kasih untuk wow. Ya, lepas yang amat sama Fiat macam ya Aberdeen. Saya kasih lewat sama tu dengan tahu. So yang champini. Isa dia ise betu sama luar apa se fulu Malaysia.
Untuk macam ya Aberdeen ya situasi untuk macam orang fengal benga itu macam nae. Ya lala manusia jangan ditafau mai Samoa. Ya ilmu tentang malo millennia. Ya pepna ya foi ni time ni tangsanga. Ya mau fatena tangsini watu ya tatu suenga sempini ya olesta search le faya ya nasa todo masih fo okuso.
Ya, lewat sa ni mai se tasi foi. O tama ita ipito silion talabo o tato tawanga sta search ni tausanga. Ni tama ita yo pele mo moi manu. Poi mai ilana fa fifianga nei tu la la fiafi. Hey. Mana tua, wo mafaya lo tu pasia nei po kalabe. Tawa. Awala malo to po iyo lo to mango no le lango malosi. Ale tato malo Samoa. Tawala man tato tanga luenga. Malosi ulenga tanga tafau mai moa mai Samoa. Ya mai se le lango na mosiwa na ye tato company. Pe una ye staff. Male Blue Sky nei tu la le afiafi. Ale mo saudi mai pele moi mulu. Ya olewa yaisi na suya inga ona oleta ufatino watu le pesa chamaitayo pele moi manu
Yo fangasolo tato fa moi ni temple tua ilang ramsua tato company fayo no so mai ya ole Samo Stationery and Books ya fapai ya male tato company ya ole Blue Sky ya peo na ni temi ya le fiafi ya sa ni menole se tato siva ya tapi na mai tai o pele moi manu tu fat singa mai na musika para watu ila tato siva ole Nation Girls ya po tai malatu Polencia ya molelando fa fianga. So all our visitors from overseas that are here with us this evening, this is one of our dance groups that represents all the contemporary dances within the Pacific, all the countries within Polynesia. Tumatasimo to Alpha for right tato Siva, the Nation Girls, Tamaitai, Polencia.
Cepat tele mo tato o siba. Tamai ta ilale lei o le Nation Girls. Ile la so fa fia ngale tutuki. Ia ile nei ya fiafi. Ia a ola o sound uni mai le pesa tamai ta io. Pele mo moi manu. Ia ai so fa ta lo fa so ile pa ia man malo tato o fia. O mo fai o na wai mai mo ni mawina. Le aso lo na fa nei o tato proclame. E pe o na ia so fa sia. Le tato o fito terisi. Yeah. Yeah, tu batasi to alfa felo ilo. Le chama ita yo fele mo moi manu. Ila na fa fia man ne fia. Hey.
Mas vai ter ele mulher, para que viaja na arte mais aí. O pele mo manu, foi mai. Pia na yale tamfenga ya ilanga yatu iso ngasa pinga lisansko tabanga pesi tono le tanto tino. Fago pia tanto fa fianga le ntenga le pia fi leo sa mai ya isha tanto ni pese ya tanto uso foi o longa tanto musika tono la tino tupatasi meto alfa finwai akti
hiyo ole lalo langi ole foi mix. Ya malolo dai. Ya tupatasi to alfa finwai. Tumaitayo sana taito ila na peste ni tulala afya.
1, 2.
Wa oiloa o manatu wa katoa e wala au ilo wa tinga mapai tata e te ono sai kea mona olea nufa if I'm out today, I'll be every time I'm out, my Ole a lo fai mi paparina pazza mi fa pena poi sulla luna. It's solo che amo e vengo fai una mattinea mi una buona tumasa la mona Guarda mia guarda Maria guarda sua fattuire la
Mai ia mole amatali ole fa moe ke ona yai e fa fianga ale tanto vaenga ia ole Dr. Rome Productions e pat mai Tumai tayo sana ia pe ona amatali ai fa moe tanto Dr. Rome Productions ia la fatuloa ia la pois ia si fa lanto fa fianga hey
Faftai sua mana vanoa ia faftai le SCA mana vanoa ia ua mata mo le fiaf Tato fie foi ne fiaf ia hey ia sao ira ia siva Savia
Santa Sierra,
Thank you. Ya mesmo matele mo le sunga ya penhoro tato sui ya le Rome Productions ya maltato pese pe na wilo ai ya no malu fo ya le tunu ilunga la ya mafasa la ngal tanto tunu ya ko sa okasian pati tato pawanga marofa aftai ya Dr. Rome Productions ya tesi tato fa fianga la so mai ya ona baile fo elis fo tato pese la fa pena so mai ia ona wau leo tatu fa mo le tema le fiafi matua e sa tama futanga ia te ga ia tuyai ia tatu fa ainga o mai o saunia e ngata o te usami sa mo e fa pefo tatu te usami fa ne po te tawi le lei mana ta alo mena toro malanga me te fa fo la te Pasifika e mo ta alonga ia o le foi te sanga do afis fu maleva lesi fa fianga ia ma tatu vaenga o le Dr. Rose Production ia mai fa fianga le tema le fiafi ia pe na yel tato vaenga le ngata penhuro ia ohana ia tai o tapu sinapi ia fa peruso ia maiki ia mare sunga ia na tinganga ia le tato Rome Production pe na tu fatsi foi ia stasio vaenga lo una ile tulango talent tono Samoa ia ala ile musika ia mai se pesi. Put your hands once again, ladies and gentlemen, for the other performance by Dr. Rome Productions this evening. Ya, mas pagpagtene mo ni Fabi Fiangal sa may Yohana, instansi suri, yung tato waenga, yung Dr. Rose Production, pagtato yung film na natin, yung papel tato of pisi. Iba nga mo buwan ang lato Fabi Fiangal, yung siya to say, paisan koma, yung tuwa ka imali lunga, pagtato yung Osana, pinihuro, yung Mahana. At yung may lali, Dr. Rose Production, yung naso may leon lato pisi, yung naliyo shorty cap, yung maninaw sorry at tayo nung ipunin, ya fa pelu so ya sinapi ya taulungan la to fa fifianga ya ila finei ya tabala watu ya mole ile tamaitai o Aberdeen Heather Alai ya ole tato so champignon le star search ya mai fiu anga lulwenga ya fa pea ya itaulanga nei ya mola na fa fifianga ya ile nei time le fiafi eto fa fifia to loto ya loto malu ya tato fa ye pe tonu ya fium tala au mai ya pe na failuatu le ile ya le puata mafainga ya ai tatu lo foi o tali maklota tu ta longan pasifika yo ya tamaiti ya pito iluma ya manisha na foa ya ngai mai ya tatu ta alo foi ya mai tu ifafu ya se fa avano ya to wava ya manfua foi mo ila to ya mai se ta alo mai ya tu ifafu ya ne avano no tatu mtia mango le tatu vao masangi tatu ya tatu sa faima enjoy le ya penel tatu event space nei ya fa avano tatu no formo tatu malo leo sawa ni mai ya tumaite pesi ya Aberdeen Heather Alai ya Malaysia na fa fifianga irene tengo le fiafi. Yang masih bertele mula teman-teman Aberdeen mana nak fifianga ini champion FFI. Thank you Aberdeen. Ya lala tu sesuatu ya lesi tatu situ ba ya teman-teman o pele memoi menu pue mai ya mula nak fifianga ya ini champion FFI. One of our Star Search finalists for her performance this evening for you, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Pele Momoy Manu, Pue Pue Mai.
No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? I lost the love I love the most. I've learned to live half a life, and now you want me one more time. Who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your dark hearts, and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? You're asking all around, find anywhere to be found. I have grown too strong to ever fall in your arms. I learned to live half a life. Now you want me one more time. Think you are running around leaving scars, collecting your dark hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. It took so long just to feel alright. Remember how you would get the light in my eyes. I wish I had lived that was like everywhere. Your promises, now you're there. You don't need to get me back. Who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your dark hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your dark heart, you're tearing love apart. You're gonna catch it all from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back for me. Don't come back at all. Who do you think you
Ia te mais pe tele mo le whawhiwhianga te mai tai o Pele Moi Mai Manu ia Pue Pue Mai ia ilan whawhiwhianga le temi o le whiawhi. Ia mais pe tele mo tātou au pese ia i le tawanga o le Star Search te whaftai atu i tātou company po ro lang la moina tātou whapai moe i ngā te leo le tātou malo tunu tasi o Samoa whaftai atu pulenga i le tātou Samoa Stationery and Books po le SAF i whapei fo i ma le tātou company i o le Blue Sky. Mai o tātou au pese nai peo na whaino atu, e leo te sa le tātou au siva, e maota tali malo o le tānoa tu si tala hotel, dance group, e peo na iai lato whawhiwhianga, e matauru atu ai, e whaino afi le te me le whiawhi. Put your hands together and welcome back to the stage one more time, ladies and gentlemen, Anoa Dance Crew.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make things flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, I ne. Talking more fina, ne. Talking more fina, ne. Short my truck, it's no jumping. And we go together. High school trees, we live on trees. I feel like those hit better. Talking about hey now, hey now, I go, I ne. Talking more fina, ne. Talking more fina, ne. I feel your mama ready. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, tail rewinding. Take it to the island way. Hey, you baby mama, put on your dancing shoes. Wind up it low now, take it to the max now. Jam in this small jam way, jam in this small jam way. My bestie and your bestie, dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make this step go high? Talking about hey now, I go, I ne. Talking on it.
Straight up, right foot in mama, make we party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to the ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm jumping out of the game, red, blue, green and yellow. We jumping on the beat, make it so fun for me, baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We jamming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew, all across the islands. Grab your shoes, get to right to, and I'm shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, I go, I ne.
Take it to the max now, jump in the small jam way. One day,
Wind up the round, wind up the moon. Somebody back, we go left, we go right. Don't need to run it, wind up the round, wind up the moon. Somebody back, left, we go right. Don't need to run it, forward. My bestie and your bestie, dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make things right go higher? Talking about hey now, I go, I ne. Talking more fina, talking more fina, talking more fina, talking more fina.
Sama po yung kanto ang simol at ano ito nung ato yung isipay na fight o lang ato pakikya. mai tato wafia tato wanataka gati tafahamu na tato kwa hiyo tato wafia tato na tato aseta ya umat po hapo ndilo loa seka kwa kuama kwa blau kwa mole tato na ya wakaende swali ya wale mai boy na foi maro le judo afia so mai ni pakai foi ya tato taalo ya ma tato ro la roina tato kan pastika Entertainment to sanga. Amai fafifia al tatu tanoa. Ya pero na yai ya entertainment filasi. We have some guests with us this evening. So once again and welcome to our entertainment this evening here at the Variety Stalls for the Pacific Games 2019. It's 4th day of the Pacific Games. One in spirit. Samoa we on. Awaiting the finale of the second half entertainment by Tanoa Tusitala Hotel Dance Group this very evening. Remember, buy yourself some local traditional cuisine with our vendors here, the food court, as well as our handicraft section. Buy some of our latest wear from Cookie, Nanta, Magalani, and a few other outfits and brands here with us this evening. Ia tu batas tu alam fa filo iloan ba fa iu ia fa fianga alita Noah Dance Group. Fire Knife Dancing performance performed by the Tanoa Dance Group this evening, ladies and gentlemen, just for your very pleasure here at the event space here Waterfront. So yeah. Malo Lelei, Malo Pito to the Tongan team that's here with us. Saipan. Maganda ka magaling also to all our friends from Fiji. Lakomai, Lakomai Kana. Tanoa Dance Group one more time. Fire Knife Dancing this time with 2 Fire Knives. Susubuman ka kumukian. So yeah.
Pati mai o nau fai watu le ka le fianga ya ni ta no tsala.
Oh. Let's give a round of applause for Tanoa Tusitala Dance Group. Ma lo five time mole, sao wane, le ne fiafi. Ia tato fa fe loa ia tuloa, ile sunga ia sinapi longovi, ia mo lana fa fie fianga, ile ne vaenga ole na fiafi.
E sunga ya sinapi ya manana whawhiwhianga le table po ia o se tasi vaenga le whawhiwhianga le Dr. Rose Production leo tua ngai umatu ia le tato vaenga lau whawhiwhielea ia mo le whamai aina ia o le vaenga fo ia taunu ngai lato sao le tato whamai moe ia le whiawhi. Le Dr. Rose Production ia ia le sunga ya sinapi o lau suatu le pese ua e sauni. Ioe. Ua e sauni. Ya pesi atuluso ya sinapi mai le Dr. Rose Production. Sunga ya Shorty Cat.
Tau tua nā tātou mālolo tutu, ia ave lau whānalo tu ere ni fōa e alala ai, ia le tātou tunu, ta maiti, ia roto tere tātou mālo mai whafolo, lo tutu lai, ia whānalo ia i whānalo wha Samoa, ave ere ni fōa.
What is so needed for you now? What is so needed to take me fast, so like to stop and to love me for my love. What is so needed to my myself? What is so needed to take I told you, what is so needed to my life? Você abre coquete, você trama íntimo, você liado em latino. Vai acertar a intelectualidade, intelectualidade, a tua noite, o anda, destino, o anda, o que vai tomar, You're my one in six, if you see I get look at me. I am better if I'm alive, say that. And maybe my place is here, sorry. We are both in town, that way, things are so many little see I go. Você abre coquete, você trama íntimo, você liado em latino. Vai acertar a intelectualidade,
Macam parti mula sungai yang sinapi yang mana napisi po Saudi yang lebayang oleh tatu Dr. Rose Production. So mayayin balifafi siapa yang lelio tapu ya po Shorty Cat ya awalnya temi fiafi ya mali pa sopo nga moa.
Uso mo kon mas kay kwa moa. Mabre mo saber. Uso deu mo saber. Mabre mo kwake. Ang uso nyo mo kwake mo bound ko ang Yamaha. Okay. Say.
Ole. Just Ole. Bangsa ko nga. Sorry, na jolly am sama. Asal desa, lejai wai hoa. Bila orang kasih tama. Ole, bangsa ko nga. Sorry, na jolly am sama. Asal desa, lejai wai hoa. Bila orang kasih tama. Tamale Amatamalo. Pasal desa, dari Mayo. Bilang kuala kasih di mama. Pasa con agua, Tamale Amatamalo. Pasal desa, dari Mayo. Bilang kuala kasih di mama. Pasa con agua, Tamale Amatamalo. Pasal desa, dari Mayo. Bilang kuala kasih di mama.
Ona tala ileo le ngaha ole moa bati mai le sunga ia Shorty Cap ia sunga ya tapu hoi ia molana pese umaya tu fantasia pese mo ilama i tau le fasaponga moa so mai lo le si fafianga ia mai lama tatu vainga ia ole Dr. Rose Production le sunga ya tai no mai pule ia malana pese ole No Sorry po sorry mo i pele ai.
Ya, baru ada nomor chat sudah. Ya, ya oleh stasiun Fatuma yang ufak ngoin oleh Nusari ya pun Fatuma sema ya suma ya cak ilo mai pule ini cele wana mesen file ni lang absa lemus.
Le ya betul betul pun chat tidur le lepas cina le fifi. Hey hey.
At pagkakinig ng sinawa o tutunan sila itawi masuya na ulofa madali na ayaw ela bale on sa ipagkatama tutali o yung ewa o sa utina wasuya faya utali when sun no sun Desi maono Isileo Uano sun Desi maono Isileo Oh no Yeah. Pangalan at sa siya Lalo na family I'll never answer Uano sun Desi maono Isileo Uano sun Desi maono Isileo Uano sun Love time. Hey, hey!
Tayo lang ay pule, iya mapilisunga ya pinuro, iya marifaki sianga, ito yung nayay na maengo na kiafi, iya po tatu. Sorry mo ipeleahi. Tawalong atu, iya ilesi fafi sianga na so, iya may sunga ya tapu, iya ma shorty cap, iya mapilisunga ya pinuro.
Ya, mato may mato miss. Mato miss le sa avel mato tawanga sa fay Amerikasamo. Sa fasiang ngay mako. Lela uto tawai nepo. Pero siya ang makirela bebe ngefia fin mato miss. Ya, lela so man mato miss. Ya fa ya tulang talen ya uto nepo. Ya bawalo sila kung sama ko ay inya ya. Maria tell nepo maro ta sino.
What's it, Bobby? It is father in nature. Kali lele kama fanya kule post. Bueno. Ahora está okay yo tu lima Mr. Vito, yo estoy acá. Mr. Atia Mackie, yo estoy aquí Mr. Mother-in-law. Ya Cecilia Mr. daughter. Sao ka kong? Oh. my God. Hey, boy, I love it. Mga ulang at hindi. Mag-uso ulit ay eh, boy, saan lang ay siya mateke. O sa'y may layan ang sulat ikik. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umuso matuloy kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umuso matuloy kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Ito alimaw ang angin. Malukuan ko sa balik-balik. Hindi lang ako mo. Kasi lang ako ay ibaw ko. Ayaw kilay. May kapala ko yung lahat malaki. O sa ikay ako ay siyapani. Ito alimaw ang angin. Malukuan ko sa balik-balik. Hindi lang ako mo. Kasi lang ako ay ibaw ko. Ayaw kilay. May kapala ko yung lahat malaki. O masahin may laki ako ay siyapani. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Bumate kele mayaw kong kay oe o de papa kong o ang kalaw na yawe ule mapayay ule kae oe e patay na oe ay sabi oe o maya o mea pila piki o se eba no oe estela maya bumate kele mayaw kong kay oe o de papa kong o ang kalaw na yawe ule mapayay ule kae oe Patala ko ya ang sabi ko yung maya ikaw sa iba o solo sila may na. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo. Oh, what sinabi mo? Sabi mo mali matupali. Umusulat-sulat kahit malalaman. Pagtatalo mo ay tapo.
Ya, pati mai mole sunga ya Shorty Cap ya potapu. Tauno nga tuai ya fafi fianga ya Dr. Rose Production. Ia le teme na fiafi ya matayatu tetai sunga ya Tinganga Romeo Samoa ya fafi sunga ya Usana Penhuro Hana otai no pule ya tapu Shorty Cap sinapi ya maluso ya Mikey. Tamai tele for Dr. Rose Production. Dengan kami kena ya tahu nga tuloy mga leo tatu pakifianga ile ausiva Indonesian girls ya mo fa mai ina mai la to fa fifianga ni teme fiafi angai mai lulungal tatu fola mai ala ia ona tātou se atule mo tātou whaili ua lautongia ia ele nei taimi o le fiafi ia po nei po ia o le stofi ua whai moina o le Ibro Band. O le Ibro Band ia mai ona whai noa tulea ia o le mafuanga fo'i o le ingoa ia o le nei whaili. Tau a fo'i le nei vai tau e mai se lava ta whatai o pia wal tātou whaili e mai I lalo maia ma vai moso. A leo sauni mai ia le tātou o sivo le Nation Girls ia mo le whamai ana lata whawhanga le nei taimi le fiafi. Pati mai mo le whakawiwhianga na o tauranga atu a le Nation Girls ia e le nei teimi o le fiafi ia mamahe atu ai le lantou whakawiwhianga. Hei hei! Ia manatua, ia hei atu, ia mai tūlunga ia te anga I whaatau sa pakiu, ia po sau niu, ia po sa tau mawhitanga o le fiafi, tani masine e fo il tātou mawhitanga ia e nei teimi o le pō. I'd like to say talafalava once again and welcome to all our visitors. Do we have guests from outside of Samoa? Please put your hands up and say talofa. Malofa aftai. Welcome to Samoa. Oh, this corner over here on the right. Where are you guys from? New Zealand. Aotearoa. Haere mai. Kia ora. Kia ora. Hi. You're invited to the stage if you want to do a performance. Just let us know. Come to the side of the stage. If you're ready for a performance, say hello and greet our locals and our Samoan people that have come out here to support all the 24 countries for the Pacific Games 2019. Thank you for joining us again. Make sure to check out some souvenirs from our crafts stores just around there, that corner, and also our food stores on the other side. We also have our friends from the Kingdom of Tonga that are here with us, Malo Lelei, Malo Opito, and thank you for also buying some food from our food stores, and also friends from Fiji, Pulau Vinaka Makalevu. They've been winning some gold medals and wrapping it up here in Samoa for the games. And all the athletes and officials and those that are here, welcome once again to beautiful Samoa. Wrapping up our performances this evening until the next couple of hours or so is our band that's been performing throughout the country here in the town of Apia. They'll be showcasing some of their talents here with us this evening as they are setting up. We have the band members. The band is called Ibra Band. Members are Teresa Tavita Ulberg, Jimmy Tavita, Matthew Samiling, Samling, and also the pianist, and of course, the leader of our band, Sunga, Faith 25. Ole Upper Band of Fapel Spelaina, Ole EPUR, o Fapel Failongaina, ma Famanato Foi, Ilolato Tua Fine, o Fapel na Failangin Folanga, Sipela Aitua, le Swafa, Polingoa, Let My Taito, but Patimaila, Ritato Faili, Ole Upper Band, La Fapel live, Mofafi Fiana. We'd like to say talo falava and welcome to our friends from the Solomon Islands who are here with us. Make some noise. Again, we're inviting the Solomon Islands crew together with our friends from Aotearoa to the stage if you want to do a performance or just say hello and talo falava. We're all friends from Solomons. Say hello.
Just 1, 2.
Hello.
Check 1, 2.
Welcome. I invite you to the stage right now. Please, our friends from the Solomons, or just in the front of our lawn here, just to wave out to the crowd. Patipati mailo tatfatasi ya matatu wo ya mailiati Solomona, the Solomon Islands. Patipaki kako. Enjoy the rest of your night and the rest of your stay here in Samoa. And hope you win not as many gold medals versus Team Samoa, right? Give it up, everybody, for Team Solomon. And there you have it, everybody. Now, pass it on to the stage. Ibra Band, and then performance this evening.
Just 1, 2.
Check 1, 2. Check them out, everyone watching right now. This is Ibra Band, all the way from the mountains, up and down, from the cloud. Yeah.
Mas vai mudar seu barriga, Ibra Band. E a tapena Ibra, e lá de família, só tem a frente de mano. E a frente.
Check. I can't believe that is true.
And our friends from the Solomon Islands, showing us some dance moves.
Deep down inside, hey, love that I can't hide. I know what you want me and makes things work around. You love me, laying all my troubles down. Here I am, baby. Come and take me. Here I am, baby. Come and take me by the hand. Ooh, show me
spin this world around. Keeping you in love without laying all my troubles down. Here I am, baby. Come and take me. Here I am, baby. Come and take me. Take me by the hand. Move slowly. Here I am, baby. Take the attention. One love, everyone watching. One love, one spirit. Shake it out, everyone watching. Move the crowd. Here I am, baby. Come and take me. Here I am, baby. Come and take me by the hand. Move slowly. Here I am, baby.
Shaking them on, loving them.
Another big round of applause, everybody, for Everband. On the stage now, our friends from the Solomon Islands. Please put your hands together for Andrew and his friends all the way to the front, please, Andrew. And just say a few words, introduce yourselves.
Hey, hello out there. Thank you for being part of the program. I'll just introduce ourselves here. Nothing to sleep here. Well, thank you everybody. My name is Kelly Baidona. I represent Toman for the archery game. Thank you very much.
Yeah, my name is Willem. This is my third time here in Samoa. I'm attending the SPT in 2009. Certified for the Ozonia, and now it's my third time here in Samoa for the SPT 2019. And I'm here for archery. Thank you.
Pero tato mga lalo papel na may Samoa talo nga ulit. Fang au. So ngaya Andrew, wa mayo Andrew.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Andrew. I'm from the Solomon's archery team, and my first time in Samoa. So happy that I met my friend Tony Sao. We were together in Malaysia in 2004. Thank you, everyone.
How are you finding your stay in Samoa, Andrew?
Oh, a beautiful place. I love the place, love the food, love the people. Thank you, Thomas Samoa.
Thank you, Tomas, too, and hope you will. Have you won some medals for the Solomons yet?
Maybe next time.
Yeah, so let's tell you another big round of applause for our friends from the Solomon Islands, Sugaya Andrew and his mates. One of the female friends from the Solomons just ran back down to the stage, said she was going to get something, but she just ran out from everybody. Thank you too much to our friends from the Solomon, and one more time, back to our band for this evening, Everband, and their entertainment. One more!
No lo dije, no lo ensayo. Here we go. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for?
I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for a change. And in the bad times I find myself
In all the good times I find myself longing for a change. And in the bad times I find myself. I'm the baby, I want you to die, baby. I'll never leave the ground. Crash to the surface, make it hurt. With all from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, with all from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, with all from the shallow
We'd like to acknowledge our young lady standing here on the field wearing her green lava lava. How's it going, madam? Dancing since Monday. Where you from? Aotearoa. Mas patpatele. Ia moltina, ia lofa peo na pintuatu. Ia ilumol tato fola day, ia tato tia. Ia pa sa usisi sa fatasi maletina. All the way from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Haere mai. Kia ora. One more time, everybody. Uberman. Taking it back on the roots. You know what it is. This one's for someone
Your wife was sexy. Your wife was sexy. Shake it, shake it. And I'm blue. Just see control. You're the power. You're the fire. Alright, goodbye.
You better shake up, 'cause I'm leaving.
Ole sasama ole siva. O silo makua nga fia siva e pio ko fia ali la uri ya. Asa silantu ya tanto alta vale alta for tanto stage ile tole di Utah pa balmole ole tolo balu iba pa balmole fia besi atu ise tolo ho balu iba. Ya por estar there tanto vale fia besi pa balmole. One more time everybody, Uber Band, Faith 35 and the crew. Visitors from overseas, athletes and officials. I got a massive dance floor right here, made of natural grass. Make your way up to the dance right there.
Bye.
You are the girl.